You don't know why you're here. You're about to find out.
You do know I let you kidnap me, right?
No, we would have taken you. I doubt it.
Not unless you have a kryptonite arrow in that quiver.
Anyway.
So, what's with all the mysterious mystery?
You tell her.
Wait a sec. Is this that Fight Club thing? Oh, I've heard so much about this. I'm so excited.
If you thought the abduction was cool, you're really gonna like the upgrade.
We thought we needed to up the ante for someone of your abilities.
This is awesome. Is this where you train?
It's more of a team-up training facility, with Team Tech pulling the strings.
Welcome to Superhero Fight Club 2.0.
More like Fight Club 9.0. Last one was about as legit as Commodore 64.
Oh.
The only rule of this Fight Club?
You gotta break the rules if you want to survive. Enter Spear.
You know, it sounds a bit rhymey. Like, it doesn't really exactly scream. You should be screaming!
How about Orb of Death?
Dig. Stay in your lane. You know who does the naming? This guy.
All systems ready. Begin threat assessment. Commence assault in 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the jungle! We got money game! We want everything you want! How do we know the name?
I'll tell you, there's 6 of us and 1 of them. I think that we need to team up. Stop saying team up! Anyone in a betting mood?
My money's on Supergirl.
Did you guys know he was an alien?
Yes.
Hey guys, whatever that thing is, I think it's got backup.
Let's see if you can come on your spirit alone.
Just me on these things multipliers! What the? Do you think that's bad? Try running with these on your feet.
It's you! It's all of you! I knew it! I told them there was a secret formula, but would they believe me? No. That was right. Wait!
Let's double down on Girl of Steel.
Oh, I get it. These things self-destruct.
Way to go, nerd girl. You cracked the code.
Looks like you're our new team savior.
I don't understand. Team Savior. Did you mean activate Team Taser?
Wait, what?
You know where you are? You're in the jungle, baby! You're gonna die! Out of the jungle!
Come on! Team up! Short! Target!
That was awesome. What else you guys got?
Yeah, Cisco. What else you got?
I'm so glad you asked.
Only other rule of Superhero Fight Club: never ask for more Fight Club.
Oh, God, monkey!
Bad monkey.
You done?
Yeah, that's about it.